that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space in my head, it was empty.
Make you day do good though. Your reward the day for front though. Person we get better mind in beans they quick they don't know. Make you day do good though. Your reward the day for front though.
I want to start work on this project. I'll be recording the tutorial. I kind of just thought about it. Today is Wednesday and I won't have time to film between now and Friday, so I may as well just record this as I'm making it. I'll be starting with the pattern drafting. Actually, I have the pattern already, but I'll just start all over so that I can record it for YouTube, guys. So that tutorial will be coming on, or it has come on this channel already. So I have this, I'm making use of this organza. This is an organza print. Guys, can you see it? I will put up a picture of this style. I think the person found it on Pinterest and she wants me to recreate it. So I'm making use of this organza and we are layering it with this skin tone. This is not really skin tone though, but it's like rose gold. Yes, that's the color. Rose gold too. And I didn't find the exact color I needed. So if you observe from the picture, the skirt part is like a layered skirt. So this will form the background for the skirt and then we'll pleat on this. So this won't be obvious from the right side. I'm still contemplating whether I need lining on the bodice or not. I should decide on that. And then we'll be making use of bias tape to highlight the neckline and just create a design on it. So let's get to work. To start with, I want to record the intro for the tutorial. That's that part where I just say blah blah blah, this is what we are doing today and all that. And for some reasons I don't like my picture showing in my video. Like, am I the only one that sees it as somehow weird? Except if I forget. I like to pull this off the wall so we can have the plain background with that shelf and maybe the sewing machine as the background. I just think it's a little bit distracting. Or what do you guys think? Do you think it's okay? Let me know in the comment section. Before I start with the intro, I just want to set up my phone to vlog, so this vlog can continue on the phone and you guys can see what's up behind the scene. Almighty mini tripod. The product name is Ulanzi, in case you're curious. And it works for both phones and cameras. So if you're looking for like a vlogging tripod, it's very nice, sturdy, and you know, it does the work. You don't even need any attachments at the top for your phone because it already has one that has dual function.
Better mind and beans they quick they don't know. Make your mind clear, make it clear towards your brother. Make your heart pure, make it pure towards.
On a second thought, maybe I won't film an intro. Okay, I'll just like display the finished look and do a voice over it to explain the process. I think that may be a little bit more engaging. I'm not just in the mood. I'm not in the mood.
Make you day do good though. Your reward the day for front though. Person we get better mind in beans they quick they don't know. Make you day do good though. Your reward the day for front though. Person we get better mind in beans they quick they don't know. The world will be a better place with more kind people wait they love for. With so much sincerity, so much humility, person like Macro and Thompson. My brother, my sister. My brother, my sister. Make you day do good though. Your reward the day for front though. Person we get better mind and being sleep quick they don't know. Make you day do good.
Guys, I think I'm done for today. Thankfully, I was able to go as far as I was hoping I would go. So yeah, so I haven't been sewing alone. I have been cutting, talking to the camera, and sewing, but alongside Joy. So Joy has been joining me. So we got the skirt parts up to the skirt parts, and we are pleating, almost done with the upper bodies as well. So the cloth is almost as good as done, but I will continue tomorrow. I will need to go pick up my kids in this 10 minutes to their late closing time. If you are single or you don't have kids yet, just enjoy that season of your life. If you're married, get all the help that you can. Currently, I'm still looking for help anyway, but I just have to make things work somehow. I still have to be productive. And if you're single, enjoy this season of your life. I think many people don't talk about how much your life changes, especially as a woman, because of our traditional role, societal, gender specific roles. Yeah, I hate it, but it is what it is, really. There are still gender specific roles in this part of the world, in Africa actually. So if you are not yet married, please just enjoy that time. Soak yourself in everything that is important to you, from your spiritual life to traveling to focusing and putting all your attention on your career, because once you have a family, you have a husband, you have children, especially when you have children, those little people, they take over, they become the priority basically. On a normal day, if I was, a single babe like you, probably, I won't be closing at this time. I won't have to pick children. I will be here, and in the matter of 2 hours or 1 more hour, I will just be done with this, and I can move on to another thing. I can work as late as I want to, and all that. That changes a lot for married people. There's also the change that comes with your body. Yeah, if you see me, I'm not even making mouth. If you knew how shapy I was, I had a nice figure. But the children came and I haven't been able to get it back together. Yeah, I know it is possible, but man, it has not been easy. I'm currently even still working on that. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm taking my bow for today. Anyways, just thought I should drop it here that if you're single, Biko, enjoy your life. Don't succumb to societal pressure. Get married, get married, get married. When it's time, get married. And when you are married, just don't put too much pressure on yourself. Don't expect too much on some. I mean, it's your expectation that makes you depressed that you're not meeting up, right? It's okay to take a little break, and especially when the children are little, especially if you don't have a help as well. Don't kill yourself that my mates are this one. Just take that couple of years and enjoy those couple of years still. Get back on track once the children start going to school and you have some time. Gradually they are going to become independent, so that phase won't last forever. That's what I tell myself every time I kind of look at it and go, Kemi, can't you just get more hours from a day? Like, I'm going home now and I'm already thinking what to prepare at home, what to, I have not uploaded a video in the past 5 to 6 days, and that's not the level of consistency I have been on because I've not been able to edit. I have 2 videos waiting. I haven't been able to edit it, and I'm currently filming this vlog and the tutorial for the outfit. So a lot of things, story of my life. I hope I'm not boring you guys, but yeah, anyways, I need to leave now. See you later.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. So I know I'm looking like an Hajia this morning. This kaftan was made in our beginners class. If you want a place to get started, you want to learn fashion designing, you should take our beginners class. So this is one of the pieces that was made in that class. We teach you pattern drafting, basic bodies, basic skirts, basic everything, 6 pieces, blouse, a lot of topic in that course. So hi guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're good and fine. Today I have a function. That's why I'm wearing jalambia. One of my ex-students lost her dad. Her dad's burial starts today. I'll be attending the service of song. So I was looking for something dark. At the same time, I really don't know what to wear to burial. It must have been like 10 years ago I attended the burial last. And I know you should wear something dark. So that's why I have this on, even though I'm still thinking it's too flashy, but this weekend is somehow activity filled. Service of song today, Then tomorrow the burial continues, but I won't be able to attend because another of my students will be having, an ex-student rather, her traditional wedding ceremony, so I'll be attending that. I was glad when I saw the IV and I noticed that I could just attend today's own for the burial and then Saturday for the wedding, because I thought I will have to attend on Saturday. But anyways, so that's what's up with me today. I'm still on that outfit, the tutorial. I'm still filming the tutorial. Thankfully, I was able to edit one of my videos yesterday and I put it up. So today I'm hoping I'll continue filming while editing a vlog. Let me show you guys what we have done so far on that outfit. Although the upper piece is with Joy, so I'll show you the skirt part right now. So how far away do I need to go for this to be obvious? So this is the skirt part. Guys, this can be like a couture or something too. You just pin it here and you do like this in picture. Sorry. So you pin it this way and you pose for picture. People won't know that this clothes is not actually a clothes sew, no. You know those loud kind of stuff. So it's more like layered, you know, layered skirt. This is the skirt part. So don't worry guys, there should be a tutorial already on the channel. So I'll drop the link above or in the description box. So the upper body is coming out really nicely. I'll be leaving by 2, so I'm hoping between now and 2 I can round up this filming. Because she can't sew when I'm not here. I have to be explaining the steps and telling her what to do, recording as well. Let's get on to doing today's work, right? So guys, here's the final look of this outfit. What do you think? Quick confession. I just pinned this back. I haven't fixed the zip, but because I need to step out really soon, I just had to film this part so we can wrap it up. It's not like the front will be it's not like the front will be any different. Even if we fix the zip, we are still going to hold it with pins because of the size of the dress form. But yeah, this is what we have. It looks really pretty. It was made with organza, unlike the original sample. That one was made with lace, I think, but the colors look alike. We used the brown bias tape as opposed to the cream one that was used in the picture, and it really brought it out nicely. So that's it with this tutorial. Go check it out. I'm set to leave for the burial now. I'm so glad I utilized today properly. Like, I finished filming my tutorial. I edited. Guys, I edited a complete vlog. I'm so proud of myself. And currently I'm waiting for Sharon. Sharon will be going with me. Sharon is an ex-student as well. So we are both going for the burial. Thank you guys for watching. If you have watched this vlog this far, just drop Kem in the comment section. Let's know those that don't completely watch the videos. All right, so either way, I appreciate those that completely watch and those that don't even completely watch. God bless you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please just click on the subscribe button. There's a small bell beside that button. That's the notification bell. When you click on it, you will get notified every time I upload a new video. So peace out. Bye.